Gotcha! You thought there was a problem with the video, didn't you? I'm Ryan and today I'm unboxing the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's go. So in addition to the earbuds, in the box there's USB-C cable plus the extra ear tips, which I missed the first time. But look how similar the Buds 3 Pro are to the Buds 3. The case is literally the same and they remind me of the RoboCop for some reason. When you open the case, you'll see these beautiful, what I call design elements. I think the contrast between them is an excellent and artistic choice, and they can also be found at the bottom of the earbud stems. The silver color is, well, very silvery and shiny, and the ear tips look oval from here, but look different when you take them out. In fact, I was a little afraid of pulling so hard at first. And as I said, they come with the smaller and bigger ear tips. I typically quickly change mine to the bigger ones because I feel I get a better and more secure fit. And as you can see, the second time I was able to pull it out, and on the inside they look rounded. And unlike the previous models, when you put back the ear tip, you'll hear a clicking sound. But anyway, we'll get to the fit and comfort in the upcoming review video. The initial setup couldn't get any easier. You just open the lid and you get a pop-up on your phone to connect. Now let's have a look at the clip case, which is a case for the case of the earbuds, and unlike the actual case of the earbuds, it has a push button. So you gotta press the button to open the lid, making it safer and more secure. A smart choice if you ask me. But I really love this silver color. I mean, I wish they would have come in the same color as the actual case. And since both the Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro have the same size cases, you can use this on either of them. I tried them on the Pros, and there's a bit of a resistance to it, but after that I couldn't get it out of the clip case. So it seems to me this is kind of a permanent solution. Although don't worry, I'm sure if you try really hard, you're gonna be able to take it out. And it comes with this hook that if you want to, you can attach to the case so you can hang it on your pants or purse. Now share this video and remember that the review video of the Buds 3 Pro is in progress. And to participate in the raffle, read the terms and conditions in the description box, and again, share it with people so others can participate too. Subscribe, become a Patreon supporter, and I'll see you in the next one.